Peace, St. Louis, Gills, and the guys in the way. I'm here to talk about the Holy Grail versus fishbowl reality. Now, my water bottle right here, this is the fishbowl experiment. You see my water bottle? I'm going to tell you about that theory later. I'm going to keep my water bottle here so I can give you the theory of the universe. So, that water bottle is going to be the fishbowl theory. But I'm going to focus back on this tree. Oh, this is so fun. I'm going to focus back on this tree. Now, when I go to Holy Grail theory, I want you to look at the totality. Now, when I say Holy Grail, I mean divine totality of everything that ever was. Now, look at the tree. Ancient Egyptians said this. Their number one rule was as is above, so is below. So now look at the grass. What seems infinite here? Does the grass seem infinite, or does the tree seem infinite? The trees seem like an extension of what was birthed. Now, what has birthed the trees? The grass. But check this out, this get complicated. Because I got to use the sun and the rain. I'm only using the tree as an example. I'm not trying to add other factors into the equation. I'm not trying to add the rain. I'm not trying to add the birds. I'm not trying to add the snails. I'm not trying to add the squirrels. I'm not trying to add all of that to the equation. Because mathematically, if I do that, I'm going to have to deal with everything. Now, when you come back to the Holy Grail reality, this reality shows me the inner workings of what I believe is the outer universe. Because how do I find the outer universe? By looking within, like my ancestors said. Let me spark this blunt. Hold up, family. Now look at the grass. This is infinite totality. All of this is infinite totality. All of it is. Now you see, when I look at the grass, I can add in the factors. I can say there's different variations of grass. Therefore, the universe can have different laws of gravity based on how the grass looks like. I can say there's different physics in different zones. All purple right here, all green right here. So on this side of reality, it can be controlled by this type of physics. On this side of the reality, it can be controlled by this type of physics. Now, when I get back to my Holy Grail theory, look at the tree. This tree is in a split reality. Why? Because when it grew from the grass, something happened to where the tree now has dual levels of reality. This could represent two suns. This could represent twin planets. Who is telling you there's no such thing as twin planets? Why do you believe there's no such thing as twin planets if you're seeing on Earth that this tree has been split into two? You see, we have been so compromised based on what we see off Earth that we don't want to believe outside the box. So now, here's the Holy Grail theory. The Holy Grail is the Grail. Let's say the grass is the Grail. All right? Let's say the grass is the Grail. This is the Grail. This is the grass. This is the Grail. This is the grass. Now, the planets have to be infinitely dispensed. How? They're infinitely dispensed. So, when you look at the variations Grass is the veil. Grass is the field. Planets grow due to some type of inertia, some type of thrust, or some type of mental willpower. Something mentally said, tree grow. How did the Grail have mentalism? How did the Grail manage to get the tree to grow? That's the question. What was the first strike? So the trees are the planets. You see the trees? The trees are the infinite planets. That means the tree could be the planets. The grass is the veil that is stretched out.